Welcome my YouTube scrapping friends, and this is part 4 of the North Pole Folio album, so yay. Since I increased the spine, I decided I wanted to add more to this, so I did. So here it is, okay? I did update the cutting guide on my blog, so if you want to go get the new cutting guide that entails these pieces, I will, it is updated and you can go grab it, okay? If you don't want to, I will give you the measurements right here and you can just write them down if you've already been there and printed your copy off, okay? So what I have done, and two, if you would like to see me decorate this, please let me know in the comments that you would love to see me decorate this, and if I have enough of you that say yes, I will make that happen for you guys. Plus, I will also be doing a video today on the year in review folios and see if you guys would like to learn how to make these. I've done it over on my Facebook page, but I want to offer it to you guys too, okay? Because you guys are just as important as my Facebook friends. Because I know a lot of you don't do Facebook, okay? All right, so I've added the inside. I've added these pieces to the inside back cover, and I've added some pieces to the back side of the pocket page, okay? And like I said, I will give you the measurements, okay? And if you've already went and grabbed your guide and you don't want to print it off again, you know, that's fine. All right. So, inside of the back and front covers, I added 2 pieces. The first piece is 6.5 by 6.5, and you're going to score at 1/2 inch on the 6.5 inch side. Okay. The other piece is 6.5 by 9, and you're scoring on the 7-inch side at 1/2 inch. All right. You're going to need 2 for the inside front and 2 for the inside back. All right. So here you have, here you would have your slanted pocket. And I won't put my slanted pocket on until after I decorate, because I like to have my paper peek out before I put on my slanted pocket, but it would go right here on your cover flaps. So when you open this up, you have this little flap right here. This is where we're going to add these 2 pieces. Okay, I applied my tape to the indented side and I folded. Okay. And then do the same thing to the other piece. Put your tape to the indented side and fold. I am going to round my corners on this piece here. Okay. So how I'm going to attach these, you have your score lines here for your spine. Okay, on that very last score line, I'm going to go about 1/8 of an inch. Oh, and this piece of paper is not 9 inches. We don't want that, so let's just correct that. I bet my other one's going to be off too. The one for the other side anyway. Okay. About 1/8 of an inch away from your score line, okay? Because you don't want this being near this score line here, because that way it will cause resistance when you're closing it. All right. So I just hold it down, take my tape off, and then see, then we'll have that opens up. Yeah, since I increased the spine, I'm like, let's add more to this folio. Let's do it. Okay, so here you can have your I'm sorry, this piece that is 6.5. You can either run it right beside it, but I'm going to run mine a little bit off, and I'll give you a measurement here. About 3/8 of an inch. Okay, about 3/8 of an inch. I'm going to line it up from top to bottom. Okay, best that I can. So you could place this either or. You could place it right on your side. Or you can do like I do. I placed it, I don't think I got that straight. Yeah. So when you decorate this, pretend this is a piece of paper. I don't have a piece of paper. I cleaned my desk off, so I have no. You would put your little design piece right here just for a little bit different decoration aspect. But I would leave a little bit of the black. I would do like a 1/4 of an inch design paper right here. Okay, and like I said, if you would like to see me decorate this, let me know in the comments and I will make that happen. Okay, here we have our pocket page. Okay, we have our pocket page right here. On the back side of that, we're going to be adding 2 of these pieces, and these are 7 and a, oh, now I don't remember, 7 by 9, and on the 7-inch side you're scoring at 9, and you need 2 pieces, 1 for the left side and 2 pieces for the right side. Okay, so on the back side of that pocket, here's your pocket page. On the back side, what you're going to do is you're going to place one of these on the, again, look at, yeeks, they're a little bit off. We can't have that. I don't know why. I don't know what I done. But it happens. It happens. So I'm just cutting off like 1/8 of an inch. I don't know what I done. Done something. Alright. Now, we can place these. Okay. So, again, I'm going to go 1/8 of an inch away. 1/8 of an inch away. Okay? Just 1/8 of an inch. And when you got it, take your tape off. You don't want this one right on that score line at all. Or, you know, where you added this piece here, your pocket. 1/8 of an inch away. Now you're going to open this up. And you're going to place the other one on the other side. Right along that, here, let me, okay, just right along that edge. Don't go over, okay? So this opens, and then that. And then you got your pocket page right here. Okay, so this would open like that. Okay, let's do the other side. All right. So again, your slanted pocket is going to be right here. So this little flap, you're going to attach these 2 pieces, and I bet this one is off too. Yep, just a little bit. So I'm going to assume all these pieces are. So guess what? I'm just going to cut them all right now. Just a second. So I'm just going to fix them all right now. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. This is a fun folio to make. And I'm anxious to see how many of you want me to decorate it, and I could have some fun picking out some paper. I don't even know if you have any suggestions for me of papers. You know, would you like to see it, you know, Christmas, fall, summer, you know, winter? Hey, let me know in the comments, because I got all kinds of paper. All right, Again, your tape is on the indented side. Fold and burnish. And these are the two add-ons that's going on the back inside cover, okay? The back inside cover. So yeah, if you got any suggestions on what you would like to see me decorate it, put it in the comments. All right, just right about 1/8 of an inch away from that score line, guys, okay? Eighth of an inch, okay? Now, if you want to grab your ruler and make sure you get your 3/8 of an inch, what you could do, I don't have my pencil over here. Yeah, I do. I don't know if I can even see. 3/8. There we go. I'm just going to make a little tick mark. Okay, I just made a little tick mark where this needs to the line that it needs to go on. I wish I would have done that with the other one. But no, I thought I could do it. Because I think I got the other one just a little crooked. And then you would just use a, 1/4 of an inch piece of paper to go here. Just a design aspect, just something different. Okay. So there's that. You could even put that like, ooh, I like it like that. Where you open this, then that. That's cute. I like it like that. I like it like that. All right. So now, here is our pocket page. Okay, our pocket page. Here is the one on the left-hand side. Here's our pocket page on the right-hand side. You're going on the back side. Back side. Okay? Back side. And if you have any questions, you can always put your questions in the comments, and I would be more than happy to answer any of your questions. All right? So again, put your tape on the indented side and fold towards the bumpy and burnish. All right. So now, again, 1/8 of an inch away. 1/8 of an inch away. Okay. And stick her down. You're sticking one on one side and the other one on the other side. I gotta get a piece of paper so I can see where this ends. Sometimes it's kind of hard. And just stick it right along the cut edge. Line it up. I ain't quite, something must be off just a hair, but that's all right. Dots, all right. It's just a handcrafted, and it's not off by very much at all. So there we go. Oops. That's our pocket for there. So we have that added on. And then we added on this right here. All right, like I said, if you would like to see me decorate this, I'd be more than happy to come on here and do some decorating with you guys, okay? And if we do that, we will probably come up with some type of closure for this. I know in the original one it had the belly band. I wasn't very happy with, I mean, I like the belly band, but I'm thinking maybe something different, something different. So, yeah, so if I come on and decorate with you guys, we'll come up with probably some different type of closure. I may even tie back my spine here. I've showed you guys that a couple of years ago, how to do that. So if you guys would like to see that, I'd be more than willing to do that in the decorating classes. All right. As always, keep scrapping, and hey, give me thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.